Hey there, everyone. Welcome to Kclose Dental PH. Brand new video vlogging and singing live streaming channel. I'm so excited to share my passion for music and life experiences with you all. I've always been a huge fan of singing and performing. And I've been told that my voice is quite unique. I'm hoping to use this platform to share my talent with the world and connect with like-minded individuals. I'll be posting regular videos covering a variety of songs and everything in between. I'll also be sharing my thoughts and experiences on life, love, and everything in between. I can't wait to see where this journey takes us. And I'm so grateful for all of you who are joining me on this adventure. If you enjoy my content, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Here's my video intro before we start, and let's make some beautiful music together.
Yo, what's up guys? Panibagong vlog na naman tayo ngayon. Yung ibon. Wap. Wala. Wala. Meron naman. Yan na naman yung station. Yun ang train. Yun na lang yung stop niya. Dating dyan, pabalik ulit. Yung mga kutsing yan, palabas na ang berin yan. Pupuntang Pulan. Ano ba? Yun, pero hindi ko makaya maglakad-lakad ng mabilis. Oh, red na sa kabila. Red. Ayun, dahil tayo dito sa gitna. Yun na. Yan ang huling stasyon ng train. Last station ng train. Yun ang galing. What's up guys? Welcome to my vlog. Noon, panibagong vlog na naman tayo ngayon.
Welcome to my channel.
Welcome to my vlog. Noon, Sunday at mag-ikot-ikot tayo para makalanghap ng sariwang hangin. Malamig pa guys, kaya naka-jacket pa ako. Maganda ang sikat ng araw, kaya lang malamig pa rin. Yun o. What's up guys? Panibagong vlog na naman tayo ngayon, Sunday. Time check, mga 9 na siguro. Maganda ang sikat ng araw, kaya lang malamig pa rin. Jacket pa rin tayo. Yo. Pasyal lang para makalanghap ng hangin, guys. Yahoo! Dito tayo, isasama ko kayo. Guys, ganda ng sikat ng araw, kaya lang malamig pa rin. Yan kaya guys, isusuot ko yung salamin ko. Ano ako? Maganda yung sikat ng araw na ano yung ako. Magsasalamin tayo guys. Jacket pa rin tayo dahil malamig. Maganda nga sikat ng araw, malamig naman. Yun o. Ah, shit. Ano ba yung nangyayari?
KY Plus Dental PH.